Good Wednesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I am your meteorologist, Jesse Peterson, and let's go in and talk about the weather for your Wednesday. Starting off, what is going on right now throughout the entire state of South Carolina? Well, right now, absolutely nothing. We are nice and dry as we go into today. Even if we go on and scroll our way out, see what's going on throughout the entire U.S., you can indeed see that we do, in fact, have some activity going on. We have some snowfall. New York, we have some snowfall in Michigan, maybe even up here inside of South Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa. And we also have some rainfall, some sleet, some snow, some freezing rain going on up here inside of the Northwest. And for the most part, everybody else looks relatively on the drier side as we go into today. Maybe some snowfall over there in West Virginia, though, that I can see. Now, what about for cloud cover? Well, for the most part, it looks like that pretty much almost everybody is covered up with cloud cover at this time. So mostly cloudy as we go into today. That was expected, especially if you were here last night. You know exactly what we're talking about, what I'm talking about. But if you go in and push this forward, this is in terms of cloud cover. You push this forward, we go all the way into this afternoon. You can see how it actually clears up a lot from right now. So we go all the way to 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. And look at how clear it is right here at 4 o'clock p.m. today. Nice and clear. Even as you go into tonight, going into tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock in the morning right here. I mean, just nice and clear, except for some more cloud cover maybe trying to move its way through as we get later into the morning on Thursday. But for today, by around like 3 or 4 o'clock, all those clouds are going to be gone. Current temperatures right now are on a good 31 in Orangeburg, 31 in Somerville, 33 in Charleston, and 35 in Beaufort, 37 Hilton Head Island, even around a good 30 in Georgetown, 33 in Myrtle's Inland, and 32 in Myrtle Beach, 28 Conway, and 31 in North Myrtle Beach, 31 in Orangeburg and Aiken, as well as 30 in Sumter, 29 Florence, and 27 inside of Bennettsville, 31 inside of Columbia, and even around a good 28 inside of Newberry, 28 in Greenwood, and 27 inside of Lawrence, 27 in Union, and 25 in Rock Hill, 25 inside of York, and 27 up there in Spartanburg, Gaffney, 28 in Greenville. Now, what about your air quality? Air quality, for the most part, will be in that good category for a lot of us, but if you're in the yellow category over here, that's for like Myrtle Beach, that's for Conway, that's for over there near Georgetown. Definitely is a chance for some moderate activity. You know, not quite in the sensitive, the unhealthy for sensitive groups yet, but it is inside of that moderate category right there. High temperatures for today, you have around a good 44 in Spartanburg, 44 in Rock Hill, 44 also inside of Greenville, 47 in Greenwood, and 47 in Newberry, 48 in Columbia, and 47 in Sumter, 45 in Florence, and 47 in Kingstree, 46 Myrtle Beach, and 46 in Georgetown, 49 Moncks Corner, and 51 in Charleston, Walterboro, 53 Hilton Head Island, and 49 in Barnwell, Orangeburg, and 47 in Aiken. If we go and look at those wind gusts for today, sustained winds first. It's going to be around like a good 3 to around 10-ish, 15-ish miles per hour. So around 3 to 15 miles per hour today. Then in terms of wind gust, that'll be up to around 10 to around 20, 25, 30-ish miles per hour. Rainfall for today, not expected at this time. So do not expect any sort of rainfall today, tonight, going into early tomorrow morning. We're good. The crazy score for today, we're at a 45. Yes, we are at a 45. Why are we at a 45? Well, the main reason is because number one, it's going to be low. Like when I say low, I mean temperatures are going to be low. We're going to see, 20s. Like right now, it's 32 still at my house, so it's still below. So it's still like at freezing right now. And so it will climb back up. Upper 30s, 40s near the north. Near like the northern part of the state. And then, you may see like some low 50s as well as you go into today, but still not going to be too warm. Still not, but not too warm. I mean, we're still a bit below normal for late January. And then also with those wind chills as well as we went into earlier this morning, that also had a risk as well for some freezing conditions and for some like hypothermia, for example, or whether it be pipes bursting, plants getting impacted by that cold air, which is why, I said you should go on and make sure you drip your sinks, faucets, wherever it was. And then also, Winds are going to be a bit up there. Gusts aren't strong enough though to meet the wind advisory thresholds though. So right now it's going to be a bit breezy. Like I said, maybe around 25, 30-ish miles per hour for some parts for today. But like I said, it's not really going to be that crazy. And then, precipitation, none's expected here. Now, in terms of thunderstorms for today, thunderstorms are not expected for today. As of Wednesday, January the 28th, none are expected. Fire weather, nothing. Excessive rainfall, nothing. So let's go and look at the models. We're going to start off here at a good 8 o'clock in the morning. And if you go on and push this forward all the way through today, 2 p.m., all the way to 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 8 p.m., all the way through today to 12 o'clock in the morning, we will end this off at no precipitation at all today. So nothing to watch for. No umbrella is needed. It's going to be a nice, cool, and dry day today. And that's all that I have. So make sure that if you have not hit the like button yet, go in and do so. It's free and you can change your mind anytime. Also, make sure that you go and hit the subscribe button if you are new. Right now, we are at 679, trying to get to 700. We are around a good 21 away. Yes, 21 away from that main goal of 700 subscribers. 21 away. So let's go and get there. We can get to 680 tonight before I even go live tonight at 9 o'clock. So, like I said, if you have not hit it yet, if you're not shared it, either share it with your friends, family members, acquaintances, people that you don't even talk to like that. Just share it to somebody. And that's all. I will be back, like I said, tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. with your Wednesday evening forecast update. We'll be halfway done with the week after today. So let's go ahead and just get through today, and we will be halfway through the week. Make sure you hit those two buttons before you leave.